Hi guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. For today's video guys, we're gonna try a new brand for me. This is Focallure. Focallure, I don't know if I pronounce it well, but this is some new products I picked from their website and I wanna just try it with you. And yeah, if you like this concept video with honest reviews without any PR or sponsoring things, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, I would love that, and DM me for any new product you want me to try with you guys. Let me just prepare my skin and back to you. Love. Our prom and also my brows done. Sorry for the mess behind me. Okay, I'm just back for a long weekend with my fam, really enjoying, and I didn't get time to do this. I'm so sorry, please forget about it. So here is the palette guys, a really cute palette. I love the outside packaging. It's really lightweight. This is really cool. The palette, the name of the palette is Impressionisme. In French, maybe it's Impressionisme, and it's an eyeshadow palette by Focallure. Thanks to my follower, subscriber Rana. She really talks about this brand and she makes me buy it, like try it, and this is cute. Here is the eyeshadow palette. Let me just take off this. Here it is. This color talks to me, guys. Like, I feel that I can use it for night and day look, so that's why I picked this palette. There is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18 eyeshadow. All of them are matte. There is no shimmer, no shine. All of them are really matte. I also picked this Cult and Glow. I was like impressed, like I was like curious, you know. This is really cute. It's powder too. Here is the contouring and here is the highlighting. Let's try it. And I also picked 2 lipsticks. Both of them are really hot colors. I don't know if I will like wear it today. I don't know. I will see. This is a velvet lipstick and this is a cream long-lasting lipstick. Let's see. Okay, let's start with the eyes. Actually, I don't know which eye look I'm gonna do, like every time, I never know. There is a name just inside each eyeshadow. This is really cool. You have also a big mirror here. I wanna go with the Caramel Days, the shade here. Oh, it's a little bit powdery, but it's okay. Actually, it's pigmented, guys. It's pigmented. It's a little bit patchy. Don't know if you see it. I wanna see if I can fix it. It's a little bit patchy, guys. I want to show you closer. Don't know if you see, but it's a little bit patchy. Let me try to fix this. So done, I'm happy. because with some passions, it's okay. I did it. I'm so happy because the color here are really, really good, like really fine. You have really great colors. I'm really intrigued by those colors. You know, they are all matte because I wanted this. You have, of course, on their website other palettes, but I was really intrigued by this one. Now let me go with where is it? Mellow. This one. This is like a brick color, you know. By the way, the price of this palette will be here on the screen, and you can see by yourself. I really love this shade, like really. This. Now I want to pick something clear, you know, like to open my eye. Maybe marshmallow, like this shade here. Oh, it's really pigmented, guys. So here it is. Till now everything is okay. Like it's buildable. The colors are really buildable. It's pigmented, but not like Colourpop or something like that. I feel that this palette can be really, really good for beginners. And honestly, I like when it's buildable, because when it's too pigmented, you know, you are like crazy. I don't know, like you feel like, wow, what's happened here, and you are scary. But when it's buildable like this, like you have your time to do exactly what you want, the eye look you want. So let me just do some mascara, fix my face, and I'll be right back. Complexion done, guys. I used, by the way, the Urban Decay Stay Weightless Liquid Foundation. Love it, love it, love it. And for concealer, my favorite for all the time, like since I found out this concealer, I never stopped using it. This is by Smashbox, mainly in during fall, because it's really creamy and full coverage, and I love that. Now jump to the Skeleton Glow. I'm really intrigued by this because the color here, like, it's a cool tone. I love that. I love cool tone for contouring. And the highlighter here, I don't know what is it, but we will try. We will try. Let's try it, guys. Here it is. It's not, oh, it's a little bit powdery. Okay. I love this color. I can tell you, I really love this color. It's cool tone, and I don't know how to explain it. Like, for those who already follow me, you know that the best one that I love really is by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is really expensive. As I told you, by the way, I will fix the prices here on the screen, then you can know how much is it. But actually, this is really handy, small. I really love it. I really love this color. I love it. It remembers me the Kevin Aquan one, you know, like I never tried the Kevin Aquan because it's really expensive too, but this one, I love it. It's so handy, guys. Look at this, and magnetic in the same time. Hope the highlighter will be good too. Let me try. Actually, it's powdery and I don't know. Oh, this is not a highlighter. Oh, okay. I feel that this is like a brightening powder. That's good. Honestly, let me try something, okay? Oh my god, this palette is everything. Okay. I really like it. I'm impressed. Thumbs up. Love it. I will keep it on my vanity, in my bag. It's incredibly, incredibly good. So now let's jump to the lips. Oh, here it is. This is really cute. I like it. I'm a little bit afraid about this emptiness here. I don't know if you see it. Maybe I need to shake it. I don't know. And here is the long-lasting one because I want to try the formula. That's why I picked two. Oh, look at this one, guys. That's so sleek. Like, really. Wow, this is really red one. Let's see. This is creamy. I love that. Look at this. This is a really creamy red. And there is a smell, like really strong one. And this is the velvet one. Here it is. Oh my god. This is incredible too. This is creamy and this is the velvet one. And I think I'm gonna go with the velvet one. Let me try. You don't feel it. There is a smell, there is a strong smell. So if you don't like that, you have to notice that, you know? But actually, you don't feel it. This is incredible. I love it. I wanna pick more. I'm really in love with this. And yeah, this is really good colors. I'm so happy with this brand, guys. Let me show you the last, like the end of the look. So guys, here is the final look. Actually, I'm in love with this look. Honestly, I know that I'm too white, but this is like fall season, and guys, with this red lipstick, I feel like I'm more white, but it's okay. I really like it. I like this, everything I picked from this brand. I think that I'm gonna check this brand again and see if there is more products. Like, I don't know if they have brushes or something like that. And honestly, I want to play with this again and again because there are a lot of other colors I didn't play with, like the blue one and the green one. This is really cute. And also, I want to thank Rana for this because she's the one that advised me this brand. Thank you so much, Rana. Please, if you have any new brand and you want me to test it for you, just DM me. I'm here for that. Love you so much. Let me know if you like this kind of videos, guys, like quick, easy, and yeah, let's just chat about new brands because, you know, there are so random brands everyone talk about. I don't know if they talk about because they are sponsored or things like that, but those brands, I want to discover new and new brands. This is like what I want to do on my channel. Thank you so much. Love you. Please let me know. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me. And yes, actually I'm on TikTok. Like I have 1 follower. So please let this new social media growing up together. Love you guys. Peace and love. Mwah.